If you need load-bearing drywall repairs that will support heavier items like shelves or television mounts, focus on restoring structural support, not just filling visible damage. Start by assessing the size and location of the damaged area and whether it overlaps a stud or is centered on drywall alone. For small to moderate holes, clean the edges, insert backing such as a flushwood patch or metal plate, and apply a high-quality wet and fixed patch compound in thin layers, allowing full cure between coats to regain shear strength. For larger openings, remove loose material to square the hole, fit a replacement drywall patch that is at least 1/8 inch thicker than the surrounding board, when possible, and fasten that patch to added backing strips behind the drywall, using screws driven into the strips every 6 inches along the perimeter. Reinforce repaired areas that will bear significant weight by adding a horizontal wood cleat or sistered stud behind the patch extending to existing framing if reachable from an adjacent access point. When using anchors, remember that standard plastic anchors in drywall alone are only for light loads. For moderate loads, use toggle-style anchors or molly bolts installed per manufacturer torque guidance and allow the compound to fully cure before loading. Always test the installation by applying a gradually increasing load up to the intended weight while observing for movement or cracking, and if the repaired area shifts, stop, remove the load, and upgrade the backing to solid wood or anchor directly into framing. Common mistakes include assuming any patch compound will hold heavy weight, which leads to failure, so choose structural products and add backing behind the drywall. Another frequent issue is relying solely on drywall anchors for very heavy items, which causes pullout. Solution is to locate and use a stud or install a through bolt into a reinforced plate or structural timber. People also often rush curing times and hang items the same day, which weakens the bond. Always follow cure times on compound and hardware packaging and perform a gradual load test before trusting the repair. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors for projects like load-bearing drywall repairs and heavier mounts, and where contractors can find work. We also host a community discussion area so our users and professionals can exchange practical tips and track down the right approaches for their specific situations.